Introduce highlight features or overview summary for HaMeby CarPlay Screen for car. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include CarPlay and Android Auto. Car Screen adds various modern driving features to any car with the HaMeby CarPlay Screen. With built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto infotainment, you can easily access core features such as GPS, music, phone calls, messaging, and voice assistant, making driving safer and more convenient. All of these features support both wired and wireless connections for maximum flexibility. Screen mirroring display. This dash-mounted 7-inch display supports the Android/iOS mirroring function. Via the original data cable connection, the car screen will provide a car display version of your phone interface and sync display content, video, GPS, and more. You can even mirror movies for your kids or other passengers to enjoy a larger HD visual experience on long trips. Sound with your car stereo. Our CarPlay Screen for cars has a built-in speaker to play audio media. In addition, you can also integrate the audio output into your car's factory stereo through an AUX auxiliary cable or the FM transmitter to get a loud and immersive sound experience in the drive. To use, just dash mount this CarPlay Screen for quick use. Equipped with an adjustable suction bracket and self-adhesive dashboard mount, it can be firmly attached to the center console or windshield and easily removed. Compared with the complex installation of a traditional car stereo, this portable car screen saves you time, effort, and cost while avoiding the risk of damaging your car. Extended functions. Our car radio has equipped with a variety of extension ports for you to access different external devices for use together, such as U-Disc, SD card. Additional microphone input devices, video media output/input, reversing camera, and more. PLS note: the reversing camera is not provided in the package. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.